To change device name on your iPhone, you need to first visit your settings, and from here swipe down and tap on general. Now from here you will find this option called about. You need to tap here once, and then your name. Now change the name. Let's change to tech, and then press the done button. Now as you can see, the name has been changed. This will work on Bluetooth, AirDrop, or any other connectivity, but it won't work on your call. So if someone calls you, this name won't pop up. So I will make a different video for that. So yeah, if this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.